Hey everybody, lannetkrystle here and welcome to my channel. If you are absolutely brand new, I'm so happy that you found me. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And if you all are already a subscriber, welcome back and thanks for watching. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about this infamous product all over Instagram. You know, those girls with the black teeth. Well, Carbon Coco has reached out to me to test out their Carbon Coco Ultimate Kit, which comes with the activated charcoal and the Carbon Coco toothpaste, and also came with a toothbrush. So Carbon Coco is a company based out in Australia. And I've seen so many pictures online of these girls brushing their teeth with this activated charcoal. And I think what's really cool about this product is it's 100% natural. It has no flavor from when I tried it out. And it's a really great natural teeth whitening product. So I've had this for about a month now and have been using it every other night for the first 2 weeks. And then after that 2 weeks, I just kind of use it for upkeep, because since I do already have my lovely pearly whites, I don't need any more further whitening. I just need maintenance, and this is what I have been using for maintenance. So all it is just activated charcoal. It's 100% organic and natural, and I'm gonna go on the website to tell you all about the benefits of using activated charcoal. Also, this powder, what I noticed is it's very finely milled, and like I said, there's no flavor or taste to the actual polishing powder. So on the website carboncoco.com, its benefits: clean and whiten your teeth the all-natural way. It has a premium formula, all natural and organic ingredient to help detoxify your mouth and teeth and leave it feeling clean. It's activated coconut charcoal, that's why it's called Carbon Coco. It's an antibacterial and antifungal powder that's excellent for gum health and sensitive teeth. Plus it removes food and drink stains over time. And then depending on usage, you get about 1 to 2 months of use out of this jar. And I did notice I do get sensitive gums and teeth, and with using this, I did not feel any type of sensitivity whatsoever. What else did it claim? And it is a gradual whitening product, so you're not going to see results right away, like if you were to use whitening strips or like the professional whitening gels. You're not going to see immediate results right away, but this is really good to just kind of start off, to remove stain on your teeth, and it's really great for maintenance. Well, let's see, what else does it say on the website? What's really cool about this too is they have a love it or leave it guarantee. So again, they give you 14 days to try it out, and within that 14 days, if you're not satisfied with your results, then you can get a refund for it. They have lots of different kinds of bundles. This by itself, the Carbon Coco by itself, is sold for $39.95. But if you get the kit that I received, which comes with the teeth whitening polish and the toothpaste, it is $59.90. So that is a great deal. It's normally $69.90, so you get $10 off right now. And then, like I said, they have all different kinds of kits on the website. So the other thing, like I mentioned before, they sent me the toothpaste, which is an activated charcoal toothpaste with a spearmint flavor, and I absolutely really like this. It's not a very strong minty flavor. It is like a black, it comes in like a black gel right there, and it works. It has like a nice foaming feel to it when you start using it after using the polishing powder, and it has a good flavor. So using the toothpaste, it also claims to, it's on the card here, it also claims to clean and white your teeth, prevents bad breath, removes plaque, and reduces harmful bacteria and growth. So These two go hand in hand. I know the Ultimate Kit comes with a toothbrush, and you don't really need the toothbrush. You can use the toothbrush that you already have, but if you're going to get the kit, you're going to get it anyway. The toothbrush really isn't anything special. Personally, I don't think anything special, so you can use your own toothbrush that you already have. So yeah, these are the two that it came with. What I like about these the most is the Carbon Cocoa, again, does not have a taste. I have sensitive teeth. I felt no sensitivity whatsoever, and my teeth feel really, really clean and polished after using this. My only gripe would be that it can get a little messy and could stain, like temporarily stain your gums a little bit. And that's what I've noticed when I use this. Even after rinsing, I would see some, you know, gray in between the teeth, and I guess that's just because I have those gaps in between my teeth. So after doing the polishing for about 3 minutes, you're going to brush your teeth with the Carbon Cocoa. And again, you don't have to use this toothpaste. If you have, you can use any toothpaste you want. It's not required, but I think these just go hand in hand together because it is like a system. So yeah, the Carbon Cocoa toothpaste, I like the scent, not the scent, the flavor. Spearmint, it's not too strong. It's a very nice light mint flavor. It doesn't taste bad. It has like a really great foaming feel when you're using it. And yeah, that's it. So these two go well hand in hand. They recommend you to use this at least twice a day, but I've only been using it every night, just because my sole purpose for using this is for maintenance. And you should see results within the first 14 days of usage, and that's if you're using it morning, night, every day. I did talk to my dentist about using activated charcoal, or the dental hygienist, and they said there's nothing wrong with using activated charcoal. It's just like brushing your teeth with baking powder. It can be abrasive depending on how sensitive you are to these types of chemicals, and she didn't suggest using it every day or all the time. So yeah, she did say that it's really good for just maintenance or getting some stains off your teeth, so over time. So yeah, so that is my review on the Carbon Cocoa natural teeth whitening powder and toothpaste. I enjoyed this product. Definitely check them out. I'll have their link down below. I don't personally have any coupon codes or links for you guys to use, but I will put some links down below. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or if you've already tried this product, please let me know down below in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, so that's it for the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.